and share my Zoom, my screen. All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then, so with or without the others, so we will start now. So first of all, please bear with my voice right now since having a slight uh cough and sore throat and then also stuffy nose. So hopefully this is not COVID. So yeah. Anyway, so let's start with the module one, of course, from part one to part three. So anyone who has a question or clarification so far, especially the pre-made video, of course, it's very, very important. Now let me ask you, yeah, let me ask you guys, have you guys already checked these three links, these three pre-made videos? Have you guys already watched them? So hopefully yes. Okay, since if not yet, then you have already wasted like 2 weeks of your time. So have you guys already checked this one, or were you guys able to understand everything in module one, part one to part three? Anyone? We can spend 30 minutes, just discuss your uh concerns, if ever that you have a concern. May I request everyone to please open their cameras? So I know that I'm talking to someone. Thank you, Mr. Edlano. What about the others? Thank you, Mr. Manhan, Mr. Janabel, Mr. Sian, Mr. Gian, Chandru. Wala pong cam. Okay, I guess it's okay. You don't really have your cam, Mr. Gian. What about the others? Do those have their cameras? You guys please open your cameras so I can also see your faces. Oh, bakit inoff mo, Mr. General? Let's go. So, sira daw webcam ni. Who is that? So, Mr. General. Anyway, so thank you so much, guys, to those who have opened your cameras. So, kamustahin ko kayo? How are you guys doing in this subject?
So, ayos lang.
Is everything okay? Were you guys satisfied? Let me be straight. Dapat ko na tayo dito. Parangkahan na para kung may kailangang improve, ma-improve na kaagad, di ba? Ganun kaagad, action kaagad. Pasikot-sikot pa. Alright, so what is the problem under week 1 and week 2? Let me know so I can fix it as freely as of now.
Sir, wala naman.
May magreklamo. Sir, ang dami nyo nang binigay na quiz. For sure. Sigurado ako. Ako lang siguro nagbigay ng ganito kadami. Am I right? From all of your courses. Again, my main reasoning is I would like you guys to experience everything. Lahat dapat ng mga topics, yun nga, sobrang dami ng topic natin. Dapat lahat yun may isang quiz or may isang seat per, diba? So that is why we have this as much. Okay? Though, parang nakaka-mind blown siya. Pero kasi, pang 2 weeks na topic na to. This is not just for a week. This is not just for a day. You guys really have to spend at least 4 hours or 5 hours in understanding everything, in answering those quizzes. Okay. Well, anyway, so I have a good news to you guys. So like from 10 to 11 or 12 activities, under the week 3, we now only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's now just 7. So just 7, and then midterm exam already. See, gulat kayo, no? midterm exam na kaagad. Ang konti lang ng topic natin. That's because it's like, we already have like 3 modules, or let's just say 2 modules under week 1 and week 2. And then week 3 or module 2 is just a short topic. This is just a 60 slides presentation, or if I'm not mistaken, 55 slides. So this is just a short topic for the module 2 or week 3. So of course, under watch videos, it still has a pre-made video, though it's just one now only. Though of course it still has a lot of of subtopics. That is why you'll see here a lot of outside or outer links that came from YouTube. So this one is again is optional, okay? Hindi nyo kailangang i-check to lahat. Kapag naintindihan nyo naman na yung diniscuss ko dito, this is a 1 hour and 48-minute video. So this is the entire discussion of the module. So I was able to explain everything in this an hour 48-minute video. Then I guess you don't need to check these things anymore. Okay, so are we clear? So again, if ever you just need more information or clarification, then that's the time that you can check this enhanced learning videos. All right. So baka nagugulat na naman. Ang dami-dami naman yan, sir. Kailangan ba namin panoorin lahat yan? Of course not. Okay? Well, actually, hindi nyo rin kailangan panoorin tong pre-made video ko. For real. Okay? Kung naintindihan nyo na mismo yung module, just by reading the module itself, okay? This is a 60 slide, if I'm not mistaken, or 50 plus, 53. So if you were able to follow everything, kasi as far as I know, hindi naman ako ganun kahirap mag-explain sa mga slides ko. If kung na-check nyo man, so I think all of my slides are understandable. Am I right? Or hindi? What are your feedbacks regarding with my presentation? Are they okay? Well, actually, parang pang high school nga itong ginawa ko. Super step by step in everything. So that is why I guess most of my students are having a grade of 95, 97, 96. Matataas yung grades nila. As long as chinek mo lahat, na-follow mo everything. Okay, and then one thing that is for sure, my example with this, with these topics, and then your quiz is super similar. Okay, nababago lang yung mga, alam nyo na, yung mga number, let's say from 145 magiging 200 something, ganun, and then same process. Okay, so there are, it's not that tricky. Okay, when it comes to my activities. Anyway, so just check this one out later on, since I just published this one at exactly 11:30. So you guys have 4 hours to spend to check everything. All right. So some in here are really time consuming. Okay. Kailangan nyo talagang gawin sa papel mismo. You have to do that one on your own para lang mag-gets mo. Okay, so it's sometimes it's not that easy to just just read what you're seeing here. Sometimes you have to do your own solution. Okay, especially this one, the proving example. Magkaiba tayo ng solution pero parehas tayong sagot. We'll arrive with the same answer. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the module 2. And then of course, the rest are the same. We have some practice exercises that you can check before going through with our quizzes or with our citrix rather. And then of course, you'll be given one case study. And as usual, you'll be given a fact and then a question. So again, all you have to do is share your own opinion and then convince me that your answer is correct. So all of my case studies are opinionated. Okay, so there is no incorrect answer regarding this one. So again, let me ask you guys, anyone who has a question? Anything from week 1 to week 3? Or if really none, can you guys give me a thumbs up? Just to let me know that you guys are doing fine with the subject? You. What about Dennis, Gavina, Mr. Chandler, Mr. Rexer? All right, so that's a live virtual thumbs up from Mr. Rexer. Anyway, what about the others, to those who have just attended our meeting? So again, this is a consultation meeting. Uh, we've just, yeah, we're just done in explaining everything under week 3. So just watch the recorded Zoom meeting later on. Now, to those who have just attended the meeting right now, as in right now, do you guys have a question, concerns, clarification, or problem that we can discuss right now? Mr. Roland, who's the other one? Mr. Roland Messias.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a question or clarification under week 1 and 2?
Wala naman po. Wala naman po, sir.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. So yeah. So sobrang save natin sa time since pre-made na yung discussion, nagawa na yung discussion. So hindi na kayo magtatagal ng 2 hours pa for this one. So again, if ever that you have a question in the future, so maybe right now there's none, but in the future maybe there is, so just message me on my Canvas or on my Facebook account. All right, so I always reply as soon as I read your message. All right, so there is a question right here coming from Mr. Ian. Sir, may attendance po ba? I don't check attendance. Okay. Well, of course, if this is a face-to-face, I will check their attendance, but there are some cases that I just consider that even though you're not in my class, but you're doing good, especially on the activities, you were able to perfect everything, you're able to get everything perfectly, then I don't have a problem for you not attending the class. Okay, there is no issue with me if you will not attend Zoom yet. Okay. All right then. So you guys may now go. So a blessed day to all of you guys. As always, thank you guys for coming, and then happy lunch, everyone.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
So yeah, we will not meet tomorrow. Okay, I forgot to mention. Yeah, we will not meet tomorrow anyway. Okay.